Okay, so I'm not sure exactly what kind of shapes or what you want me to do with these shapes, but between these shapes here, they all have different types of area formulas and perimeter formulas. So area is always going to be length times width. So the length and the width, it almost doesn't matter what you call the length of the width. You know, if you want to call one side the length, one side the width, really doesn't matter. The whole point is that you understand how these different sides are, you know, related to each other. So usually they'll have like a right angle to indicate that this is like even sides. But as long as I tell you that, you know, one side, this is a square, then you understand what all the other sides are. So length times width, area for a square, it's just, you know, one side times the other side. And then for a rectangle, since the sides aren't all the same, this one might be like A, and this length might be like B. So it's A times B. For a triangle, it's actually kind of interesting how triangles work. They have to kind of start out from a rectangle or a square, and then they're actually cut out from the rectangle. So if you think about it, it's almost like it's half of a square or half of a rectangle. So if you already know what the area of a rectangle or area of a square is, you just cut it in half. So area of a triangle, length times the width divided by 2. You know, this guy's a little different. You got to remember what this number is. So I almost won't even really go into why it's called pi r squared, but you just have to remember what a square is, pi r squared. And then the perimeter for each of these, you have to add the sides of all the shapes. So if it was a triangle, I'm adding this side plus this side plus this side. And then for a circle, it's actually not even called the perimeter. It's called the circumference. But the circumference is the same thing. Same thing as the perimeter of a circle. See the word circle is in there? So it's all the same thing. So you have perimeter of all of them. It's just add all the sides. So A plus A plus A plus A. Or if you have A plus B for a rectangle, or for a triangle, it's going to be something like A plus, depending on the side, plus B plus C. You might have a third side that's different. And then for a circumference of a circle is 2 pi r.